I, Uma Agrawal, welcome you all to the online lecture series organized by Gokhale Education Society's BYK College of Commerce. In our previous lecture, we have seen the topic of ledger and its example. In this lecture, we will go through the same topic of ledger but in more detail and depth. Today, we all are aware and have thoroughly gone through as to how transactions travels. In our offline lecture, we have seen the basic sources like source documents like journal voucher, cash voucher, credit memo, receipt, checks, etc. The transactions in the source documents are recorded either in the account debit side or credit side. On this recording of the transactions, it has to be then posted in the journals. After posting the transactions into the journal, then those entries are to be posted into relevant ledgers. And thereafter, the balances drawn of either debit or credit has to be entered in the trial balance. Let us see what is trial balance. A trial balance is a bookkeeping worksheet in which the balances of all ledgers are compiled into debit and credit account column. Totals that are equal. A trial balance is a list of all the general ledger accounts, both revenue and capital, contained in the ledger of a business. Each nominal ledger account will hold either a debit balance or a credit balance. The debit balance values will be listed in the debit column and the credit value balance will be listed in the credit column of the trial balance. The trading profit and loss statement and balance sheet and other financial reports can then be produced using the ledger accounts listed of the same balance. This slide shows the unsolved problem number 9. Chapter number 4 on ledger of the textbook. This example covers all debit and credit ledger balances. With the help of these balances, how to prepare trial balance is also covered. I request all of you that see the example and then take a screenshot which will help you in solving the example. First, see the example. The following ledger balances were extracted from the books of Pawan Pawar, Pune as on 1st July 2019. Debit balances, machinery 4,40,000, Rashmi's account 70,000, purchases 1,30,000, sales return 40,000, cash 1 lakh, bank 1,80,000, stationery 2,000. Credit balances, purchase return 60,000, sales 3,60,000, Pawan's capital 4,80,000, interest 6,000, Rakesh account 56,000. The following transactions took place during July 2019. Post them into ledger and prepare trial balance as on 31st July 2019. First transaction, introduce additional capital rupees 40,000. Second, bought goods from Rakesh rupees 80,000 at 10% trade discount. Sold goods to Rashmi rupees 30,000. Returned goods to Rakesh rupees 20,000 gross. Rashmi returned goods to us rupees 400. Paid to Rakesh rupees 40,000 at 2% cash discount. Made purchases rupees 17,000 and amount paid by check. Cash sales rupees 8,000. Bought stationery rupees 3,000. Received from Rashmi rupees 39,000 by RTGS and discount allowed rupees 1,000. Paid salary rupees 10,000. Sold goods to Rashmi rupees 20,000. Bought goods from Rakesh rupees 36,000 and paid by check. Please take a screenshot of this slide, which will help you in solving the example. In the coming slide, all the ledger accounts are reflected, which states debit balances, and thereafter the next slide reflects credit balances. Let's go to the first transaction. Introduced additional capital rupees 40,000. On introduction, it is to be first reflected in cash account debit side and capital account credit side. See, capital account credit side 40,000 and cash account debit side to capital account rupees 40,000. Second transaction, bought goods from Rakesh rupees 80,000 at 10% trade discount. This entry would be taken in purchases account debit side with rupees 72,000 and credit side of Rakesh account. See, purchases account debit side 72,000 and in Rakesh account credit side rupees 72,000. See this 72,000. Sold goods to Rashmi rupees 30,000. This transaction shall be reflected as Rashmi's account debit side 30,000 and sales account credit side rupees 30,000. See, in sales account 30,000. Return goods to Rakesh rupees 20,000. Gross. This entry shall be stated in Rakesh account debit side and purchase return account credit side rupees 1,800. Sorry, rupees 18,000. See, in return account by Rakesh account 18,000 credit side and in Rakesh account debit side purchase return 18,000. Rashmi returned goods to us rupees 400. This entry shall be taken as sales return account debit side and Rashmi's account credit side rupees 400. See, in Rashmi's account credit side by sales return 400 and in sales return account to Rashmi's account rupees 400. Paid to Rakesh rupees 40,000 at 2% cash discount. This entry shall be noted as Rakesh account debit side and cash account credit side rupees 39,200. See, in cash account credit side rupees 39,200 and in Rakesh account debit side to cash account 39,200. Made purchases rupees 17,000 and amount paid by check. This entry will be reflected in purchases account debit side and bank account credit side rupees 17,000. See, in bank account to bank, in purchases account to bank 17,000, and in bank account bank account credit side rupees 17,000 as purchases. Cash sales rupees 8,000. This transaction shall be recorded as cash account debit side. See, in cash account debit side rupees 8,000, cash account debit to sales account, and in sales account credit side rupees 8,000. See, in sales account credit side rupees 8,000. Bought stationery rupees 3,000. These purchases shall be recorded as stationery account debit side and cash account credit side. See, in stationery account debit side 2,000 and cash account, in cash account rupees 3,000. Rupees 3,000. See, this 3,000 by stationery 3,000. Received from Rashmi rupees 39,000 by RTGS and discount allowed rupees 1,000. This transaction shall be recorded as bank account debit side rupees 39,000. Bank account debit to Rashmi account rupees 39,000, and in Rashmi account credit side rupees 39,000 by bank account. Paid salary rupees 10,000. This payment shall be stated as salary account debit side and cash account credit side. See, in cash account salary account 10,000 and in salary account see rupees 10,000. Sold goods to Rashmi rupees 20,000. This transaction be recorded as Rashmi account debit side and sales account credit side rupees 20,000. See, in Rashmi account rupees 20,000 and in Rashmi account rupees 20,000 to sales account, and in sales account credit side rupees 20,000. See, in sales account credit side rupees 20,000. Bought goods from Rakesh rupees 36,000 and paid by check. This transaction shall be recorded as purchases account debit side and bank account credit side. Purchases account debit side rupees 36,000. See, in purchases account to bank 36,000 and in bank credit side by purchases rupees 36,000. With this, we complete the example. Now, we move on to derive the debit and credit balances of all ledger accounts for preparing trial balance. The figures in red color are debit figures only seen in this slide. Thereafter, this red color debit figures are to be posted to trial balance. See all these red color figures: machinery, purchases, cash account, Rashmi account, sales return account, and bank account. All these debit figures should be posted in trial balance debit side. Likewise, the stationery debit balance rupees 5,000 is also to be posted in trial balance debit side, and rest of the red color figures of this slide to be posted to trial balance credit side. See all credit figures: Pawan Capital account credit figure, Rakesh account credit figure, purchase return credit figure, sales account credit figure, and interest account credit figure. Even in this slide, the credit figure of discount received, that is of 800, is to be posted to trial balance credit side, and rest of the figures of this slide are discount allowed debit figure and salary account debit figure to be posted to trial balance debit side. This side reflects the debit and credit balances of ledger accounts as posted in trial balance accordingly. You will find that the trial balance is tallied. See the trial balance as on 31st July 2019. All debit balances of the slides and all credit balances of all the slides. See the trial balance is tallied. The amount, tally amount is 10,92,800. Both the debit and credit figures. Till today, we have seen the different ledgers, the entries taken therein, and from the same, the achieving of debit and credit balances, and thereafter the preparation of trial balance. With this, we conclude the whole topic of ledger. I hope all of you have understood the basic concepts of ledger, and I understand that you all would make an attempt to solve different examples for better practice and understanding. I thank you all for your presence and participation. I also thank respected Principal Dr. Shri Ram Kulkarni sir and in charge Vice Principal Shri Praveen Mule sir for guidance, support, and opportunity. Thank you.